Good afternoon, students. In the last class, we have discussed a few applications on equations of motion in horizontal motion. Now we shall discuss some problems based on the equations of motion in horizontal motion. Right. First one problem, example problem 1. The displacement x of a particle, the displacement x of a particle, the displacement x of a particle at the instant when its velocity v is when its velocity v is equal to root 3x plus 16. Find its acceleration and initial velocity. Then acceleration, initial velocity. You have to find acceleration and initial velocity. See how you can calculate it. Now squaring on both sides the given equation. For the given equation I am squaring. V square is equal to 3x plus 16. Now send it left side. V square minus 16 is equal to 3x. Compare this equation with v square minus u square is equal to 2as or 2ax. V square minus u square means what here? 16. By comparing it, u square is equal to 16. This implies u is equal to 4 meter per second. Now compare it right side. 3x here, 2ax. X. Then 2a is equal to what? 3. This implies a is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means 1.5 meter per second. That is. Next, second one. If Sm is equal to 2 plus 0.4 n, 2 plus 0.4 n, find initial velocity and acceleration. Same. Then u is equal to question mark and a is equal to question mark. See how you can calculate it. Then you should write it is in the form of. We have one formula. Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. Sn is equal to u plus a into Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus half. Then I am writing it. Sn is equal to u plus an multiplied with a minus a by 2. Now Sn is equal to u plus instead of that one, write u minus a by 2 in bracket, remaining plus a. Now compare it. See the given equation is what? Sn is equal to 2 plus 0.4 n. Sn is equal to, here two terms. This is one term, this is another. This is first term, this is second term. Compare it. See an and 0.4 n. A value is how much? 0.4. A is equal to 0.4 meter per second square or unit second. Next, compare these two. What you will get? U minus A by 2 is equal to 2. Send it right side. U is equal to 2 plus A by 2. 2 plus A value how much? 0.4 by 2. 0.4 by 2, 0. That is what? 2.2 meter per second. This is initial velocity, this is acceleration. Acceleration 0.4 and the initial velocity is how much? 2.2. Next, example 3. A rifle bullet or simply a bullet loses a bullet loses 1 by 20th of its velocity. 1 by 20th of its velocity in passing through a plant. In passing through a plant. In passing through a plant, what will be the least number of? What will be the least number of such plants? What will be the least number of such plants required to stop the bullet? See, in the last class, in yesterday's class, we have given one formula. What is that formula? Number of bullets required, n square by 2n minus 1. N is what here? 20. 20 square is 400. Divided by 2 into n. N is 20. 2 into 20 minus 1. That is 400. Divided by 40 minus 1. 39. 39 means compulsory will get 10 point or not. Whatever it is, here you will get 10.3. 10.3 means what? You should take more than 10. More than 10 means what? 11. Next one. Your body covers 100 centimeters. Your body covers 100 centimeters in first 2 seconds. In first 2 seconds and 128 centimeters. And 128 centimeters in the next 4 seconds. in the next 4 seconds, moving with constant acceleration, moving with constant acceleration. Find the velocity of the body at the end of 8 seconds. Find the velocity at the end of 8 seconds. See, we have to find the velocity at the end of 5 seconds. A body covers 100 centimeter in first 2 seconds and 128 centimeter in the next 4 seconds. See, assuming A to B time taken is what 2 seconds and distance is 100 centimeter. Next B to C 128 centimeter. B to C is what 128 centimeter in the next 4 seconds. A to B 2 seconds, B to C 4 seconds. Now we have to find velocity at the end of 8 seconds. Now first I am taking A to B. For the journey from A to B, use this equation. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. A to B distance is what 100 centimeter is equal to U. A body covers, U is not given, T is given 2 seconds. 2U plus half A T square 2 square, that is 100 is equal to 2U plus 4 by 2. You will get 2A, equation 1. Next time taking from A to C, not from B to C. A to C distance 100 plus 128. What you will get? 228. A to C time taken 2 plus 4 6. Time is 6. 6 into U plus half A T square 6 whole square. 228 is equal to 6U plus 36 by 2. 18A. 18A. Here you can take 3 is common. 228 is equal to 3 is common. 2U plus 6A, or you can take 6 also common. It will get cancelled with 6 or not. 6 thrice 18. Yes, better to take 2U is there 2U. Okay, take 3 only. 6 here. 3, 7, 21 cents. 76 is equal to 2U plus 6 here. Make it equation 2. Now, from equations 1 and 2, subtract any one. Equation 1 minus 2. Left side, 100 minus 76. What you will get? 24. 2U minus 2U, 0. Next, 2A minus 6A, what you will get? Minus 4. Then A is equal to minus 6 meter per second. Put A value either in equation 2 or in equation 1. In equation 1, 100 is equal to 2U plus 2 into A minus 6 minus 12. Send it left side. 112 is equal to 2U. Then U is equal to what? 56 meter per second. They are asking velocity at the end of 8 seconds. V is equal to U plus 80. V is equal to U is 86. A is how much? Minus 6. Into T is what? 8. That is the answer. You will get in terms of centimeter because it is in centimeter. Centimeter per second. Next problem. A particle moves according to the equation. A particle moves according to the equation. Moves according to the equation. T is equal to root x plus 3. What will be the where will be the particle come to? Where will be the particle? Where will be the particle come to rest? Come to rest for the first time. For the first time. That means we have to find the time. Send 3 left side. What you will get? Root x is equal to t minus 3. Squaring on both sides. X is equal to t minus 3 whole square. That is t square plus 9 minus 6t. Differentiating on both sides. Dx by dt is equal to d by dt of t square plus 9 minus 6t. Dx by dt is what? Velocity. Is equal to d by dt of t square. What you will get? 2t. D by dt of 9 is 0 because 9 is a constant. D by dt of minus 6t. What you will get? 6. V is equal to 2t minus 6. What they given? Come to rest. What they are asking? After what time it will come to rest? When it comes to rest, velocity is what? 0. Put v is 0. 0 is equal to 2t minus 6. Minus 6 left side. 2t is equal to 6. Then t is equal to 3 seconds. Right. Next example. The velocity of a particle moving in positive direction. The velocity of a particle moving in positive x-axis, moving in positive direction of x-axis, or moving along positive x-axis varies as v is equal to k into root s. Velocity changes with the distance. Where k is a positive constant. Where k is a positive constant. Draw Vt graph. Vt graph. We have to draw the Vt graph. Velocity is given v is equal to k into root s. Root s. Then here v means what? Velocity. Velocity is the rate of change of displacement. ds by dt is equal to k into root s. Send root s left side, dt right side. Then you will get ds by root s is equal to k into dt. Integrating on both sides. Integral ds by root s is equal to integral k into dt. Integral dx by root x formula 1 by 2 root x or not 1 by 2 root s is equal to k into t. K into t you will get it. So 1 by 2 root s or root s. What you will get? Root s means what? S power 1 by 2. It will go up. S power minus 1 by 2 into ds is equal to k into t. Integral x power n dx formula. X power n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is s power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 divided by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 is equal to kt. What you will get? S power 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. What you will get? 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. 2 will go up. Kt. 2 will go up. 2 into s power 1 by 2 is what? 2 root s is equal to kt. What you have to find here? We should find draw the VT graph. Send to right side. Root s is equal to kt by 2. Squaring on both sides. S is equal to k square t square by 4. Again, I am differentiating with respect to time. D by dt of s is equal to d by dt of k square t square by 4. D by dt of s, rate of change of displacement is what? Velocity. D by dt, k is constant, 4 is constant. K square by 4. D by dt of t square, what you will get? 2t. That is v is equal to what you will get? 2 once 2 twice. That is k square t by 2. K is constant, 2 is constant. V proportional to t. If two quantities are directly proportional, what you will get the graph between them? Right. That is the graph between velocity and time. Right. Now come to the exercise problem. In exercise 2, second problem. What is second problem? If a cyclist takes 1 minute to complete half revolution, if a cyclist takes 1 minute to complete half revolution, to complete the half revolution A to B, it takes how much time? T is equal to 1 minute. 1 minute, that is 1 minute is 60 seconds. What they're asking, what is the average velocity and the radius of the circular path? 120 meters. They're asking average velocity. Average velocity is what? Total displacement by total time. Displacement means what? Shortest distance between initial and final. Here A is the initial point, B is the final point. Then you should draw a circle. This is nothing but diameter. Diameter means what? 2r by t. T is what? 60. 2 into r value. Radius is how much? 120 divided by 60. Then average velocity is equal to what you will get? 4 meters per second. Next, third problem. I am writing the data only. You can see in our material. A car moving with a velocity 20 meters per second stopped in a distance of 40 meters. A car moving with a velocity u1 is 20 meters per second and stopped. Final velocity is 0 in a distance of s1 is equal to 40 meters. Is it third one or not? Next. If the same car is traveling at double the velocity, u2 is equal to double means 2u1, that is 40 meters per second. The distance traveled by it for the same retardation, s2 is equal to question mark. In both the cases, final velocity is 0. Use the equation v square minus u square is equal to 2as. V is what here? 0. Why? Because here it is coming to rest. Minus u square is equal to 2as. Here 2 is constant, a is also constant. Here retardation means a is what? Negative. Negative gets cancelled. What you will get? S proportional to u square. Take s1 by s2 is equal to S1 by S2 is equal to U1 by U2 whole square. From that we can find S2. Here acceleration is negative. Negative will be gets cancelled. S proportional to U square. Next, fourth one, exercise 2 fourth problem. A drunkard is walking along a straight road. He takes 5 steps forward and 3 steps backward. 5 steps forward. I am assuming this is 1 step. 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps forward. And again 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3 steps. Next, what they given? Each step is 1 meter long and it takes 1 second. Each step is 1 meter long. How much time it is taking? 1 second. Next, there is a pit on the road. 11 meter away from the starting point. The drunkard will fall into the pit after. That means there is a pit. After what distance? 11 meter from the drunkard. Here drunkard is there. From the drunkard, pit is at a distance of 11 meter. That means he has to travel a total distance how much? 11. Displacement. Then see 5 meter forward, 3 meter backward. Again, you should take 5 meter forward. 1, 2, 5 steps. 5 steps means 5 meter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 3 meters or 3 steps backward. 1, 2, 3. Again 5 meters, 5 steps forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now calculate the pit is at a distance how much? 11 meter. Then totally how much distance he is coming? Here how much? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 only are. He has to travel 11. That means again 1, 2, 3, 3 steps backward. Next 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Here pit is there or not? He will fall into the pit. Now what they are asking? The drunkard will fall into the pit after what time? That means you have to count all the steps. Each step taking how much time? 1 second. 5 steps. Here 3 steps. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 5, 21. 21 plus 3, 24. 24 plus 5, 20. Therefore, after a time of 29 seconds, he will fall into the pit. Fifth one already we have discussed. Sixth one also over. Next, seventh one. Fifth, sixth over. Seventh one. A motorist drives not for 35 minutes or 85 kilometers per hour and then stops for 15 minutes. He next continues not traveling 130 kilometers in 2 hours. What is his total displacement? Motorist drives not for 35 minutes at 85 kilometers per hour. North. If you are taking directions east, west, north, and south. North means on the board upwards. North. He is traveling at what velocity? 85 kilometers per hour. Up to what time? 35 minutes or not? 35 minutes. Now you can take distance travel. S1 is equal to velocity into time or not? Velocity is what? 85 kilometers per hour into time. Time is what? 35 minutes. But we want to get in hours. That is 35 by 60 hours. Hour gets cancelled. Now S1 is equal to what you will get? 5 12 times 5 7 times 12. How much? 12 sevens 84 or not? 85 by 12. How many times? 12 6 72. 12 7 84 or not? That is 7 point. 12 7 84. 84. 85 is there. 0.10. No, again you should put one more 0. What you will get? 108. 7.08 into 7. Calculate this. Next, second time he traveled how much distance? Second time he traveled a distance 130 kilometers. Second time he traveled a distance 130 kilometers. That total distance S is equal to S1 plus S2. Then you will get it. You will get second option 179.6 kilometer. Next, eighth problem. See eighth one. A person walks along a straight road from his house to market in 2.5 kilometers with a speed of 5 kilometers per hour. A person walks along a straight road from his house to market. H is the house, M is the market. House to market. What is the distance given? 2.5 kilometers. And he is traveling with what speed? 5 kilometers per hour. 5 kilometers per hour. Okay. Next, and instantly turns back and reaches his house with a speed of 7.5 kilometers per hour. 7.5 kilometers per hour. First, house to market. We have, I am calculating time. T1 is equal to, time is equal to distance by velocity. Distance is how much? 2.5 kilometer by 5 kilometer per hour. Kilometer gets cancelled. That is how much? 0.5 hours. 0.5 hours means what you can take? 30 minutes. House to market. Second time, he returns back market to house. With what speed? They given 7.5 kilometer. 7.5 kilometer per hour. Distance is same or not? 2.5 kilometers. Now calculate the time. T2 is equal to distance by velocity. Distance is 2.5 divided by velocity 7.5. That is what you will get. 1 by 3 hour or not? Minutes. For 1 hour, how many minutes? 60. 60 by 3 is what? 20 minutes. Now total time for house to market and market to house. T1 plus T2. How much? 30 plus 20? 50 minutes. And what is the distance traveled? How much he has covered the distance? 5. House to market 2.5. Again market to house is what? 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5. 5. What they are asking? That the average speed. Average speed means what here? Total distance by total time. Total distance is what? 5 kilometers. Options given in terms of meter per second they are asking. Kilometer divided by time. Time is how much? 50 minutes. Minutes. Convert in hours. Hmm? 1 second.
Seconds look how meter per second.
Okay, 60 minutes. That means in seconds what you will get? Into 60. V average is equal to 5 kilometers. 5 into 1000 meters. Divided by how much it is? 3000 seconds. 3 zeros, 3 zeros. That is what? 5 by 3 meter per second. Next, in ninth problem. A particle moving with a constant acceleration describes in the last second of its motion 9/25 of the whole distance. In the last second, it covers 9/25 of the whole distance. I am assuming whole distance is yes. 9/25 means 9/25 into yes. Yes is what? Whole distance is equal to what we can write? U plus A into n minus half. N is what? Last second. Next, if it starts from rest means immediately what we can take? U is what? 0. If it starts from rest, how long is the particle in motion? How long means what? We have to calculate time. How long is the particle in motion and through what distance? Yes, is also we have to calculate. Next, if it describes 6 centimeter in the first second, if it describes 6 centimeter in the first second case, Sn is equal to A into n minus half. U is 0. Distance traveled in first second. How much? 6 centimeter is equal to A into n is what? First second means 1 minus 1 by 2. 6 is equal to A by 2. This implies A is equal to what? 12 centimeter because it is centimeter per given. Centimeter per second square. Now you got 6 A value. Now we have to find n. N is what? Time or not? Total time. Last second means total time only. See how you can calculate it. See in the total last time, Sn is equal to what we can write? U is 0. A into n minus half or 3n minus 1 by 2. Last total time S is equal to half A t square. T means I am assuming Sn square. Now divide this one. We have one formula based on this one. Sn is distance traveled in the nth second. S is what? Distance traveled in n seconds. Sn is given here. How much it is, Nana? Here, in this case only I am writing. Distance traveled in the last second. 9s divided by 25 is equal to A into 2n minus 1 by 2. Next, in the total time n seconds, how much distance? S is equal to what we can write? Half A n square. Make it equation 1, equation 2. Divide equation 1 by 2. S gets cancelled. 9s by 25 divided by S gets cancelled. 9 by 25. A by 2 and A by 2 gets cancelled. What you will get? 2n minus 1 by n square. Cross multiplication. You can find the n value. 9n square is equal to 25 to 2n, 50n minus 25. Send it left side. 9n square minus 50n plus 25 is equal to 0. Find the n value. You can use quadratic equation solution. Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Find the n value. To get s, substitute n value, a value in equation 2. 40. N and a in equation 2. Then we will get yes. Yes, you got, and n is also equal. Otherwise, you can use factors method. You will get it. Okay. You will get n is what? 5. You will get it. You will get n is 5. Put n value 5, a value 12. In equation 2, then you will get yes. N is what here? Total last second. That means total time is 5 seconds. Next, 10th one. A car moving with constant acceleration covers the distance between 2 points 180 meter apart in 6 seconds. Distance between 2 points I am taking A and B, and the distance between them is 180 meter. In what time? 6 seconds. Its speed as it passes the second point is 45 meter per second. When it crosses the second point, its speed is 45 meter per second. What is its acceleration and speed at the first point? At the first point, I am assuming speed is u. Then u you have to find out, and acceleration also you have to find. Now your distance is given, initial velocity, final velocity is given, time is also given. We have one formula. What it is? Distance is equal to average velocity into time. It is there or not? Distance how much? 180. U we have to calculate plus V. This is V. 45 by 2 into time is what? 6. 2 ones 2 thrice. Thrice 60. 60 is equal to U plus 45. Then U is equal to 60 minus 45. 15 meter per second. Then acceleration. Acceleration means change in velocity by time. V minus U by T. V is how much? 45 minus U 15. By time is 6. 45 minus 15 30 by 6. That is what? 5 meters per second. 15 and 5. Fourth question. See, tomorrow also we can discuss remaining problems. Horizontal motion problems are there. You also try to do the problems. In net material, it is 28 problems are there. You have to practice these problems, 28 problems. Okay, students. See, this week you are having two tests, cumulative and general weekend. Cumulative when it was Saturday, cumulative Saturday. General weekend test is Tuesday.